Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to explain an important issue that many business owners and freelancers face: the retroactive effect in PayPal account closures. So, what exactly does retroactive effect mean? It's when PayPal reviews your past account activity and decides to restrict or even permanently close your account, sometimes for actions that happened weeks or months ago. Even if you're currently compliant, previous disputes, late document submissions, or transactions in high-risk industries can trigger sudden bans. Now, why does PayPal do this? PayPal relies heavily on automated risk algorithms and compliance policies. Their system is designed to minimize fraud and chargebacks. Unfortunately, that means many honest sellers are caught in the middle. Here are the most common reasons accounts get closed retroactively: a history of disputes or refunds, selling in industries PayPal considers high risk, delayed or incomplete identity verification, policy violations, even small ones, detected weeks later. So, what can you do to protect your business? First, never rely on PayPal as your only payment gateway. Use alternatives like CODARAB Pay to reduce your dependency. Second, if your account gets banned, learn how to properly set up a new PayPal business account. And finally, make sure you handle identity verification carefully to avoid automated bans. If you'd like step-by-step guides, check out the links in the description. How to minimize PayPal bans using CODARAB Pay, how to safely open another PayPal account, and how to prevent PayPal robots from imposing automatic limits. In conclusion, PayPal remains a powerful payment processor, but the retroactive effect makes it unpredictable. The best protection is preparation. Diversify your gateways, stay compliant, and always keep a backup plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for more tutorials.